Hi everyone, it's Helen here. Today I will make a very special cake called Bánh Quy. In Vietnamese, Bánh Quy also means cookies, so some might be mistaken by the name of this. The Bánh Quy that I'm making today is not a cookie, but a dumpling. It's the Vietnamese version of the Kueh Ang Ku, which is pretty popular in Malaysia, Singapore and all that. It's designed in a turtle shell shape and therefore it's a symbol of longevity and good luck. This cake or dumpling is very popular as a snack as well as ritual offerings, while the Chinese version is mostly made with mung beans. In the Vietnamese version, it's more often made with coconut fillings. They are chewy and soft and tender at the same time. So let's begin.
Helen's recipes.
So let's start off with the fillings first. For the fillings, you will need 170 grams of shredded coconut, roasted sesame and peanuts, and 80 grams of brown sugar. You also need 50 grams of glutinous rice flour and banana leaf for the base. Check the info box below for the US measurement if you like. Heat a pan on medium and then add the shredded young coconut and sugar. Then stir and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar is melted. Next, mix 15 grams of glutinous rice flour with 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl and pour into the pan. Then mix well for another 2 minutes or so. Then add the roasted peanuts and sesame and then turn off the heat. Leave to cool. Then you want to divide this into 10 equal portions, that's about 20 grams each. For the dough, you will need 200 grams of glutinous rice flour, 1 tablespoon of normal plain rice flour, 10 pandan leaves and 190 ml of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 50 grams of sugar. Finely chop the pandan leaves and grind with 190 ml of water. You let the mixture go through a mesh strainer to extract the green juice, discard the fibrous parts. To the pandan juice, add a tablespoon of sugar and then heat it in the microwave for just 1 minute at 800 watts, or you can also heat on the stove until it reaches about 80 degrees Celsius, that's 176 Fahrenheit. Next, in a large mixing bowl, combine the glutinous rice flour with the plain rice flour and a pinch of salt. Make a well in the center of the flour bowl and slowly pour in the juice. Mix with a spatula until the juice is well absorbed, and then when it's cool enough, you can knead with your hands until a dough is formed. That just takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you take a piece of plastic wrap, cover it, and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Next, divide the dough into 10 equal portions, that's about 25 to 30 grams each, and make each into a ball and then press down to form a disc. And then place the filling in the center and gather the edges and pinch together. Try not to lick the filling because when you boil it will break. Shape it into a nice round ball and then grease the mold with some vegetable oil. Press the dumpling into the mold, then tap the 3 sides of the mold with forks and let the cake pop out. Place on a piece of banana leaf. If you do not have a mold, just gently make it into a round ball and press down gently on a piece of banana leaf. That's totally okay. Steam for about 7 to 9 minutes from the point that the water is boiling. Then take out and brush with some oil on top of the cake so it has a really shiny look, and the oil also helps to prevent the cake from drying out. And that's it! Look at that! The cake is so beautiful. The color of the pandan give it a really nice green and shiny look. So yummy. The filling is not too sweet at all, and the different textures of the glutinous rice flour and also the coconut filling is really great together. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you give it a try, please share with me a photo on Instagram and put hashtag Helen recipes. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. Also, don't forget to give this video a good thumb up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes like this. I will see you then next time. Bye bye.